So, I got a gift. I'm pretty sure I know what it is because I have a friend on Snapchat, a big Thanos, who mentioned getting me some cosplay stuff, but I'm not 100% sure. Either way, I apparently need to sharpen this pocket knife. Doo-doo-doo. Alright. So we have a Harley Quinn cosplay. Which looks heckin' awesome. And a blonde wig with some dark red and black tips on some of the ends. I will have to try it on and do some makeup testing stuff later. And then these will be definitely used for some TikTok videos. And I think it'll also go well with my Lego DC Villains game that I do on Twitch. So, for you to find any way you want to support me, 3 YouTube channels, my Twitch channel, my Discord server, my 2 TikToks, Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, wish lists where you can get gifts for stuff that will be used for my channels and content. You can get gifts for my cats. You can get gifts for my crafting stuff. Any way you want to support me, free or otherwise, will be linked in the description of every YouTube video. So, if you choose to do that, thank you, and a very big thank you to Big Thanos. I absolutely love it. I'm super excited, and the fact that we were able to find it in extra small is just amazing and very rare, so I'm very excited. Thank you. Thank you.